Hello friends, today we will study some poetic devices used in this poem. So in this poem, in the first panel, there rain on the roof. Here the humid hover. Here there is an alliteration of HH, and in the second line starry spheres there is an alliteration, again the alliteration of SS. Then in the fifth line there is the alliteration of P of press below, and T of to the, and the in the next line there is an alliteration of the cottage chamber C. Then again at the next line, lie listening there is an alliteration of T, and LL, and to the में the alliteration of TT. Then in the second paragraph, there is an alliteration of TT and the tinkle the, and there is an in the next line there is an again the alliteration of HH, has and heart. And in the third line of the second paragraph, A alliteration, BB in the next line, busy being BB alliteration, A again next line in and alliteration. And if there will be not fourth line here in this paragraph, so and 1,000 reminiscences and 1,000 recollections, तो ये एक साथ लाइक जो कंटिन्यूटी में हो जाता है, तो यहाँ पे एनाफोरा हो जाता है, लेकिन अभी इधर नहीं है तो वो नहीं लेंगे. देन वीव वूफ WW alliteration, to the TT alliteration, on the rain upon the roof RR, again the alliteration, the in here there is the repetition and alliteration both. Now in the memories, in the third paragraph, memory my mother alliteration of MM. In the second line, a gone and as में alliteration, and in the third line darling dreamers DD की alliteration, and to the TT की alliteration. फोर्थ लाइन में them till the TT की alliteration. फोर्थ लाइन में FF फॉन्ड और फील की alliteration, और इस पे ओ और ऑन की भी alliteration है, क्योंकि ऑन में फर्स्ट लेटर तो ओ ही है और इधर ओ में सिंगल ओ में है ही वो एक लेटर, लेकिन तब भी अगर जैसे कि खाली आए होता है लेटर और फिर एक दो वर्ड छोड़ के इज़ होता है, तो फिर हम उसे alliteration में मानते हैं, तो इसलिए इधर भी ओ और ऑन दोनों में ओ की alliteration होगी. तो टू दिस में टी की alliteration, और here the meaning of the refrain is that here the raindrops of the rain is, ये नहीं है कि एक दो ड्रॉप्स ही हैं, they are continuously falling on the roof, and thus he is saying refrain हो रहा है. ये मतलब रेन की जो ड्रॉप्स है वो बार बार छत पे गिर रही हैं, which is played upon the shingles. तो इसमें then in the last line, the की alliteration and repetition both. Then if you notice an amazing thing, that in the poem it is rain on the roof RR की alliteration हो रही है. So now we have now fully completed this rain on the roof poem, all the poetic devices also and the meaning also. So now we will meet in our next video. Thank you.